I'm making my final chocolate cake for the amazing project. So first I'm going to put in 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar. I'm just going to start with the flour first. I already have a knife.
So can you tell us what you learned about measuring flour?
Well, you have to scoop it up with a spoon into the measuring cup, and then once you just fill it up to the top, probably over. I'm just gonna get that good. So it's like that. It's like overload. And then you take like this kind of knife. You take the non-sharp side, and you go from this end, and you flatten it out fully. And if there's a little bit more, then you. So it's like fully flattened. Then you put it in. So I'm going to do that 2 times.
What are you doing now, Max?
Oh, I'm doing the sugar. Whoopsies. Not enough. I don't have enough. Keep on getting enough. So it's 2 cups of sugar that I have to put in. For this one, I have to scoop it in. I'm just going to even use this. So I have to scoop it in, and if I don't get enough, then I scoop it in with that, and then I flattened it out with the knife. So then I'm just going to add that in. Then I have another one. Okay, so now I'm going to use the oven, and I'm going to put in this 1 stick of butter, a half a cup of oil, 4 teaspoons of cocoa, and a pinch of salt.
Don't you add some water?
Oh, and some water. A cup of water. Yeah. So, just gonna. Hi. So, sorry if I said cocoa 4 teaspoons. It's actually 4 tablespoons. And now I'm melting the butter. Well, I put all the ingredients that I told you in, and it's on the oven. And what did I put it at?
Low.
I put it at low, which I don't really like, yeah. And so I just have a stick of butter, and you just need to kind of mix. Here, come here, so they can see. Mix like all like the chocolate parts down. Mix it all together, then kind of like move the butter slowly around, and wait till it melts. And then when it does, you're gonna pour it into your flour and sugar and that stuff. Okay, so now I've poured in my butter and that stuff all into the sugar and flour. So now I'm just going to wait until it's kind of like melted in, and I think it's good. So now I'm just going to stir it very slowly. You're going to try to get all the white stuff like all out. So when you like go like that, you can't see any white. And if you still can, that means, and if it's still bumpy, that means you still have to keep on going. Okay, well now I'm just stirring this little bowl that has some buttermilk, some baking soda, vanilla, and 2 eggs. So I'm just going to stir it until it's good. Oh, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and vanilla. And how much buttermilk?
Half a cup.
Half a cup of buttermilk. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm going to pour it into there. Sorry, I just need some room. So I'm pouring it into where all the, like, chocolate stuff was. So, okay, so now I just poured all the stuff in and I mixed it. And this is a 12 times 18 like sheet. So she's like this. Now we're going to put it into the oven. And when we're doing that, then we're going to get the icing ready. And then we're going to decorate it. So, yeah. Okay, so in here, this is the first step for the icing. I have 1 stick of butter, 6 tablespoons of buttermilk, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, and a pinch of salt. That's all that's in here. So I'm gonna put it on here, and we're gonna get the stir, which I don't know where it is. Where did the stir, Mom? So now I have melted that all, and now I'm using this icing powder, and my mom's just pouring some in, and then I'm mixing it. So I'm mixing it until it's smooth and there's no white spots. So I'm just gonna show you how it might look. Just gonna kind of go fast. So that's the color that it has to be when it is done, when there's like no white in it, and that's pretty much how it has to look when it's all smooth. So as soon as you take the cake out, then you have to spread the icing out. I couldn't do it because, well, it was kind of hard for me, so my mom did it. And after, I'm going to be using these little icing things. It comes with purple, white, pink, and green. So I'm going to decorate my cake with flowers and I'm going to say Amazing Project on it. Hi. So I'm done baking all my cake, and now I'm just decorating it. So I've done an Amazing in pink, Project in white, and then on this side I wrote my name because it's Amazing Project, and then my name so nobody takes my cake. And then I put some flowers because it's in May and it's my birthday and I really like flowers. And then I'm putting polka dots of different colors. Pick up all the different colors. So I just need to finish that one. So that's pretty much done for all the polka dots. I'm probably going to do something more. But that's it for right now. So